Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for March 24th, brought to you today by editorial researcher Nina Whittle. In our top news story, the FDA approved Teva's Cinqair in combination with other medicines for the maintenance treatment of severe asthma in patients aged 18 and older. The humanized interleukin-5 antagonist monoclonal antibody is intended for use in patients with a history of severe asthma exacerbations despite treatment. Also featured, study data suggests that selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors do not elevate the risk of cardiovascular events in young and middle-aged patients with depression. Author Carol Copeland noted that the analysis found no link with an increased risk of arrhythmia, heart attacks, or stroke transient ischemic attacks over the 5-year period. In other news, Novartis agreed to pay $25 million to settle bribery charges from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. The commission alleged that the drug maker paid bribes to health professionals in China to increase sales from 2009 to 2013. In addition, a study of Portola Pharmaceuticals' betrixaban for the prevention of venous thromboembolism in acute medically ill patients failed to meet its main efficacy goal. The APEX trial tested oral betrixaban versus standard of care anticoagulation with injectable enoxaparin. And finally, the FDA issued draft guidance intended to support the development of generic versions of abuse-deterrent opioids. The agency called on drug makers to ensure that generic versions are no less abuse-deterrent than their branded counterparts. To read these and other stories in full, please visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.